G'day folks, and welcome to another portrait sketch where I share my process, my insights. I talk about art, creativity and everything in between. As I was going through my reference photos looking for another portrait to draw, I saw this pose of this woman with her hands above her head, and I thought that was quite an interesting pose, so I thought I'd just use her as a reference for this particular sketch. The object of this exercise was to get the gesture of the figure and how it flows. I wasn't too concerned with the details, even though I've gone in with a mechanical pencil. It's more so just to train my eye to see the negative spaces and the angles of the limbs and how the hands work together. This particular sketch was just more so for my own relaxation, just trying to let my mind go into that state where I just use my imagination and go with whatever comes to mind. In the reference photo that I was copying, she was wearing a really weird lattice type looking dress, and it just didn't do anything for me. So I was looking also at the pose and thought she looks like she's dancing, or perhaps she might be a clerical character in a role-playing game. So I created an outfit with these elements in mind. The more I thought about it, the more I thought she looked more like a cleric. So I thought I'd do some radiating lines coming from her hands as if she was casting a blessing upon those around her. I'd pretty much finished this sketch, so I thought I might just add some colour to it. And I started out just doing the watercolours where her hands are, where the actual lines are radiating from. It turned out okay, but I thought I might just do those lines with a bit of gouache. Well folks, it looks like we've come to the end of another sketch session. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this in the future. Okay everyone, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.